So I've been using the Fiio UTWS3 for like a couple of hours now. So far the connection has been very stable. I haven't had much drop edge at all. Range seems to be just a bit off from the 10 meters that or something that they rated them on. The noise floor on this is probably one of the lowest that I've had on any true wireless adapters in any budget range, so that's extremely good. Aside from that, it also doesn't have this weird like missing connection panning issue that you sometimes get with these true wireless IEMs or adapters. And yeah, so far it's been pretty damn good. Obviously I've only tested them in like low interference environments such as my room, so I want to just bring them out and just try it out in like office settings or just maybe like malls and such where there's lots more interference. So I'll be able to just, you know, get a better image of how good these adapters truly are in terms of connection stability, which is majority, like most of the issues that I usually have with these true wireless IEMs. So yeah, so far impressions have been pretty good. But one nitpick I already have is that although the UTWS3 case is massive, it still can't fit my Z1Rs for some reason. It just doesn't fit. And it scratches the top of the case because it just doesn't fit. So yeah, I'll be putting the Fiio UTWS3 through the paces, and then I'll be posting a full review later on. So see you then.